I'm here today to share with you all this drugstore friendly eye look that I created by using my Wet n Wild 10 pan palette called Coffin Break. So if you want to see more on how I put this palette to use, then just keep watching the video. So I'm going to start out by priming the entire mobile area of my eyes, and with the one for my fingertips, I'm taking this, blending up all the way towards the brow bone. And then I'm going to use my face setting powder to set that primer, and I'm going to use this also as my transitional color. I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush and just brush this over the entire perimeters of my eyes. So here's the fun part, the palette. Look at how gorgeous these earth tone colors are. OMG, you're getting 10 colors, including transitional colors, for only $5. I'm so happy to have found this palette. So I'm going to jump right into the palette, taking up the transitional color, and with the same fluffy blending brush, apply this directly over the entire mobile area of my eye. It's giving me a light wash of color, and I'm using a fluffy blending brush. I'm going to go back into the palette with a pointed precision brush and pick up that rusted brown color and pop that only in the crease. I don't want to take this any higher, keeping it directly into the crease, and I'm going to keep it nice and low. Once I get the shadow placed, I'm going to now take a pointed precision blending brush and begin blending that out. But I'm blending downward. Notice how I'm blending downward. I'm keeping it nice and low, only in the crease. I'm trying to create a gradient effect. Hence why I'm now picking up this nice dark brown color and placing it directly over the rusted color. And you see how it's starting to give me this gradient looking effect? That is what I was going for. Mind you, these eyeshadows are not chalky when applied, and they blend effortlessly easy. Back into the palette, and this time I'm using a flat shader brush, and I'm picking up this gorgeous tangerine colored eyeshadow right here. I don't even know what to call it, but it is glittery. You know, if you're an official glam doll to this channel, and I say official, that's a subscribe glam doll, you know I love glitter. Off camera, false eyelashes and wing liner has been applied, and I'm using this Nivea. OMG, this is an old school beauty hack that Nikki Tutorials broke the internet on a few years back on how using this post shave balm that's supposed to be for men, that works extremely well as a primer for women, and it helps to moisturize your skin. It's great to use as a primer, and I have been loving it. But don't tell the hubs though, because I've been hiding it from him. So here I'm taking my foundation, my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. I'm just going to place it all over the perimeters of my face. Once I get that going, I'm going to take my facial blending brush and begin blending out that foundation all around the perimeters of my face. And I'm using my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation to do so. So once I complete blending the entire perimeters of my face, I'm now going to move into highlighting and contouring. So I'm going to begin highlighting underneath the areas of my eyes. I'm using my LA Colors Ultimate Cover concealer underneath the areas of my eyes, and I'm going to mix that along with my Maybelline Dark Eraser concealer. And again, I'm using the applicator to place it underneath the areas of my eyes. I'm now going to take my e.l.f. cream contour and begin drawing out my cheekbone area as well as the temples of my face. And once I finish doing that, I'm then going to move into using my beauty blender. This is my InStylish beauty blender, and I'm going to blend out that highlight. I'm going to blend out that contour. I love using this InStylish beauty blender because it doesn't absorb the product. It actually helps to move the product evenly throughout my face. I'm blending out that contour, and once I complete doing that, I'm going to take the residue that is on my facial blending brush and buff out all the areas so I don't have any harsh lines and demarcations. So once I've done that, now to conclude the video, I'm going to add a little bit of blush, my Milani Cosmetics Rose de Rio, and voila, my finalized look. I'm now going to take my Miss Glamour Addict Cosmetics Basic Nude Lippy, which will soon be available for purchase. I'm going to spray a little bit of oil sheen, comb it through my hair, which will be down in the comment section below. And to say that this was a $5 drugstore eye look, not bad. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you in another one shortly.